So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to limit buy a stock here on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom and press on accounts, the accounts icon. Once you're here, make sure you have the appropriate account selected. So in this case, I have the cash account. Now go to the right to the middle here to where it says where it says all, or go to the bottom where it says positions and press on trade. But if you wanted to go all right here, go down to where it says trade and then press on trade. Now once you're here, for this example of a limit buy, we will type in, what's a good example here? How about here in Canada, we'll go TD Bank, Toronto Dominion Bank. This is an example. Now make sure that buy is selected. It'll be green. If it says red, it'll be sell. And where it says order type, it actually does default to limit right here. But if you go ahead and press on the drop down where it says basic orders, press on market if you want to change that, or just keep it to limit. Now what this does, you can set your limit price. So for example, if the stock goes up or down to a certain number, it'll actually mean that's the limit that you're willing to spend on the stock. You can edit this to whatever you want. So if you wanted to go 50.6 for instance, this is 2.2% lower. If it hits that price, or if it goes higher than that price or whatever, it'll automatically buy. So you can go a little bit higher if you want it as well. What's the current trading price right now? 59.96. So if you were to go 60 right here, this is 0.08% above. So if it reaches anything above this, it'll buy automatically. So do whatever you have to do, but that's how you guys can limit buy a stock here on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.